Hi there, welcome back to another NEMT Platform Pro Tips video. Today we're covering how drivers can request a break and how dispatchers can manage those requests easily. Drivers, starting from your mobile app dashboard, look at the bottom menu and tap Time Out. A screen will pop up giving you two options, End of Shift or Request a Break. Simply tap the Request a Break button to notify dispatch. It's that easy to let the office know you need a moment to recharge. Now let's switch to the dispatch dashboard. On your left sidebar, navigate to the Timesheet section and click Timesheet again on the top nav bar. Locate the driver who sent the request. You'll see their pending break right here. As a dispatcher, you have the full authority to approve or reject the break based on the current trip volume and schedule needs. Back on the mobile app, the driver will receive a notification once the break is approved. To verify, the driver can tap Time Out again, where the approved break times are now clearly listed. Now your team can rest and plan for their next trips without any hassle or scheduling confusion. Efficient communication for a smoother day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.